What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is the stock market recap with LCAOD. Today is Thursday, August the 3rd. And it's Friday Junior, people like to call it here. Man, what a day in the stock market today. Indices closed bearish, you guys. We're just going to get right into what happened. The market closed bearish. It closed down again, but it didn't really close down in a comfortable bearish sentiment. It closed down in a playful bearish sentiment. And that's the image, that's the visual you're getting here. That's the vibe you're getting on Wall Street right now. But I mean, you guys, bearish is bearish. We did have a lot of earnings after hours. Now things may flip now. It just depends. It just depends. But it looks like things are already going to flip here, considering the earnings that just went after hours, and we're going to get into that momentarily. Amazon, Apple, etc. But what a day today, though, you guys. The market did close bearish. The indices closed. S&P 500 closed down by 0.26%, down 11.65. And NASDAQ closed down 13.73 points. Still, the Russell 2000 closed down 8.08 points. The Dow Jones closed down 66.63 points, and the VIX even closed down 0.17 points. So, basically the market did kind of climb back up because we were down really steep in a hole where it looked like it was about to flush, and support looked like it gave up. So support, just looked like it gave in, and but that really wasn't the case. Support is here, and now that the support is here, you're seeing buyers step in and the market go up again a little bit, where it tried to today. So, we're right here at a huge buy zone right now, and it can still go either way. Overall, Bears lost a lot of momentum today, though. I must say, they really didn't get a down day, even though it did close bears. Like I said, they didn't really get a down day. They may be getting it tomorrow. You never know. Bulls may just win again, like they have been. Nothing surprising. But we're gonna find out tomorrow with the jobs report data. That's the key. That's been the key all week. So we're definitely about to find out tomorrow what's gonna happen in the overall market, you guys. And the indices did close bearish. The Bears win, but in a playful way, they won. So Bulls kind of still. You see that underneath them right there. That's a bull. That's a bull investor right there. He's just playing around with the bear. So, but the bear you see, the dude got a tight little strong hold, though. If you're reading it correctly there. You're reading that visual correctly. So, just know that's what happened, man. But the data, as far as the data, before we get into the charts and numbers, I ain't going to have this recap too long. It's Friday, Junior. It's the last recap for the week. We'll be back Sunday night with a brand new recap of what happened on Friday, and what's going to happen on Monday, what to expect next week, and more data, more earnings, et cetera, et cetera. You already know how we get down at LCAOD. So that's what's going on right now. And like I said, this is Friday, Junior. So we ain't gonna hold the recap too long. We ain't gonna be on this too long. We're gonna go over this quick, fast, and so you can understand it and grasp it. But a lot of earnings this week, you guys. You seen Amazon, Apple went, Coinbase. Oh, phone plugged up. Sorry. You see Amazon, Apple, Coinbase. You got Block. They went Airbnb. We're gonna look at all that. DraftKings. We're gonna see what all that did here. We're gonna look at Moderna too as well and see what they ended up doing today. There was a lot going on, man. LCAOD, man. We were called in Tesla all day. It was amazing. Other clients were called in NVDA all day and Netflix all day, and it was amazing. It was a huge win today, like really for real. So. All week it's been nothing but wins, and it's not trying to brag or anything or boast, but really been on a win streak here lately. So at LCAOD, man. So just shout out to all the clients that's just listening and learning and earning, and shout out to everybody that just to your success and because at the end of the day, someone has to thank you, and if no one is going to do it, thank yourself because this ain't easy. As they make it seem. As far as doing it, it is, but as far as just really playing a mind game with these algorithms, that's not easy. So, shout out to you. If you're winning and you're undefeated right now, you've been winning, or your wins outweighing your losses. Regardless, shout out to you. I mean, you're paying attention, you're listening, you're learning, and you're earning. Nothing wrong with it. You feel me? That's the best thing you can do. If you're not winning, it's just more. You're just not listening. That's just what it is. So don't be offended by it. Just don't take it personal. Just take your time. Learn to figure out what you can understand in this market. Don't confuse anything. Find one company, and start there. That's what I tell people most of the time, because it's so much going on in this market and in the world. It'll give you a headache. You'll shut down. There's nobody, as a human being, we are smart. We can use both sides of our brain, but that power itself has repercussions as well. So you'll crash out eventually if you keep trying to do that. But it's best to, like I said, stay cool, calm, and collect. Stay humble, stay patient, and you'll be profitable that way. Seriously. But top 5 things to know this week, you guys. Jobs report data tomorrow is the key. Has been the key all week. It's going to be the key going into tomorrow. Like I said, 8:30 a.m. See it down here. I'm going to zoom in right here. 8:30 a.m., you guys. Jobs report data is coming out, 8:30. So it's going to move the market already before it even opens. So it's going up or down here. You're going to get your direction, and it's going to get stiff again due to the market is data driven. And as you can see, we're about to get more of that tomorrow and see that. So, from where we're at now, you're going to see the market really just get comfortable where it's been trying to go all week. You're going to see that tomorrow for real and going further. Jobs report data. You see how the ISM PMI services data came out. It came out really good. So that's really what brought the market back up. It was going up early this morning. I think a lot of buyers stepped in early and overloaded it, and then that's why it came back down. But that was a shakeout. I mean, the market shook a lot of people out of a lot of positions this morning, and I hated if you just didn't have the patience to hold that. But, that's just part of it. And sometimes, like I said, it's just okay to be patient and wait it out and just understand, like, okay, look at the data. If the data is saying things are good, just relax and just play it out, play it out with the data. But the data was good, though, today, so that's why the market did do that quick little drop, but it bounced right back up and it started going up overall as far as the stocks. Now, the ETFs that SPY and all that triple Qs, they stayed in the range, but they're still right there. They're at 450. They're at that big support zone, so looks like that's going to push higher. If the data is good tomorrow, you guys, jobs report data, if it's not, obviously, you've seen it flush. We've already got the flush. We witnessed the flush. It's just going to flush lower, and we know that too now. So it's coming if that data ain't good. So one of the two is coming. We're going to see what that data going to say at 8:30 a.m., though. And you see the earnings results, man. Well, last I checked, we're going to look here momentarily, but last I checked, Apple was down. Amazon was up. They did hit their target, their LCAOD new. And Apple hit the down target, the LCAOD new too as well. So, these earnings, they are 50-50, but if you're playing them far as, picking the right contract, you just need to have the right amount of buying power, put it that way, but to pick the right contract, some people, it's a gamble, obviously, but they do give out the information. It is out there, to the point where, you can know and be accurate with earnings as well, but it's about, like, actually having the right contract with that. So, and that's what makes it 50-50. So, Amazon went up, but the contracts that are out the money, they won't make anything, put it that way, because it's not really a huge move like that. It's just like a $10, $11 move, which is good, obviously, for the ones that's going to be just brought right into the money. But, that's not great or fantastic or going to drive the market insane. And a lot of media coverage like NVDA did previously with their earnings last quarter. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, at the end of the day, earnings is earnings. It's 50-50. It is a gamble. But congratulations, though, to the ones that did choose the right one and choose the right contracts that the LCOD mentioned. And, you're up. Congratulations. You're up about 2K right now. So that's good, man, and that's just congratulations for real. Just hope it holds. Amazon holds, and I think it will. I think if the market, that job support data is good, obviously that's going to hold and it's going up higher. So, you know, jobs report data not good. You may see Amazon still try to hold it until the close, hold it to the open, excuse me, and then it'll come down. But it's going to give out that number. So just be on the lookout for that tomorrow. And we're going to look at the chart here momentarily. But it's pretty much it, man. Friday, non-farm payrolls data, unemployment rate. That's it. You know, that's what we're all eyeing now. That's the end of the week here. 5 things to know, 3 things to watch, and, you know, economic data. So that's just what it is. Let's go ahead and get into the charts, man. Charts and numbers here. But yeah, earnings tomorrow here with Nikolai Football TV. Look, it's some more earnings, but you know it's gonna end here. Big ones was the last big ones was today after the close. So yeah, what a week. It's been a very, very good week at LCAOD though. Like I said, just been climbing on up. Really playing the market how it's moving, you know, and it's showing. It's showing that, you know. So that's really good. That's really good right there. But let's go ahead and get into the charts and numbers, man. Starting with the SPY here. Candles. All right, so starting with the SPY here, you guys. Upside levels tomorrow. See what I'm saying here? Yeah, 449.97 now. They're just teasing that 450 area. You know, so jobs report data good tomorrow, you guys. SPY. 450. It should land about 453. That could be a new top here coming in shortly. You know, if that jobs report data is good, we're just going to line it up like this and let you know. Just going for the jobs report data, and still remember the long targets. Not check the recaps and you'll know the long targets on the spot. Still, I can just say it 460, but for sure, check out the last recap. You'll know. Hit the like, subscribe button. But yeah, going into tomorrow, jobs report data upside levels if it's good, 453. Downside levels if jobs report data is bad here, you guys, 445. So that's if the jobs report data is bad. The SPY is going to go down to 445 seriously. So just be on the lookout for it. It's one of them waves are coming. Triple Qs, same thing here. Jobs report data good. We're going to simplify here, right? 377.50. And then triple Qs can really pick up here. They really can get to about 378. So 378.50. You know, if the data is good, they're gonna sit and call it there. You know, they really can top out at 380. Remember, they're going long as 386. So be on the lookout for that upside levels if the jobs report data is good. To the downside, if the jobs report data isn't good, 371.80. And if that don't hold, 370 here. Jobs report data not good. 370 on the triple Qs. DIA, if the jobs report data is good, upside levels tomorrow, 355.30. You know. To the downside, the jobs report data isn't good, 350. That don't hold, 349. IWM. Jobs report data tomorrow, you guys, coming in hot or not. We're going to find out. To the upside tomorrow, if it's good, 197.70. To the downside, if it's not good, 192. That don't hold, 190. VIX, the volatility, the speed of the market, the direction of the market, everything in the market. That's just what it is, right? If the VIX is up, the market is down. If the VIX is down, the market is up. The VIX was down today. The market was down. So there's the confusion, right? That means something's coiling up. There's tension. There's something about the brakes. They're going to change it and correct it. Okay, so going into tomorrow, if the jobs report data is good, you would want the VIX to go down. So if it is good, I'm expecting to the downside. We look for 1 year out to the downside. About $14.28. Go ahead and fill the gap. The jobs report data is good. They'll fill that gap right there and go ahead and just we don't know what we were doing. We were trying some things. We're sorry. We're coming back down. If the jobs report data is good. If the jobs report data is bad, to the upside now, it might be not, things really might be changing. You just never know. Right now they're showing that there could be a possibility. There's been a downgrade in the overall market. So if the jobs report data isn't good, the upside level I'm looking out for right here is about $18.50. And you'll expect the market to come down because the jobs report data isn't good. NVDA been going crazy. Hit that exact target right there, 450. Like I said yesterday in the recap, hit that like and subscribe button, you guys. We're really giving out free game here at LCAOD. We're really giving out like financial prophecy where you can be profitable, and we're just it's really happening, you guys. You can make money doing this stuff. So hit that like and subscribe button, you guys, and give LCAOD a shout out. Hit that dislike button if it ain't something you like, we can get to an agreement where we can, you'll like it. So the video right here hit 450 like I did say yesterday. So now looking like the job support data is good. 450 to 454. The job support data is good. Expect the video to push back up there to that level. Now, if you get there and sit above that, the target is 460. They will hit it now. That is in the video. Keep that in mind. To the downside now, though, job support data isn't good. 440 to the downside. If that don't hold, you're going to get that back test to about 435. That's if the jobs report data is not good, you guys. And we'll see. Netflix. Jobs report data good. Bing. Right to 436 or 435. One of them. That's the target. If the jobs report data is good, you guys. It's looking excellent. Jobs report data 440 Netflix. They can pick up steam here if they want now. They've been going crazy all week, very volatile, just really printing out a lot of gains this week for real. It's moving a lot from 426 all the way to 450. Basically technically close to it. 447. I think it topped out 445, but whatever. And then back to 426 again. Back up here to 441, now back to 430. This is a lot of money over here in Netflix, basically. So jobs support data good. That's the level right there. Be on the lookout for that. Back to spring back to 435 to 440. If the jobs report data is good tomorrow, or going further as well into tomorrow. Data come out 8:30 a.m. Jobs report data bad. 427.50. If that don't hold, 422 to the downside. Netflix. The jobs report data is bad. Tesla. Wow. They hit it. And see, I'm gonna show you guys what happened. Okay, so it was one of those situations with LCAOD today where could have made a lot, really, right? Could have made a lot. It was a wild day, being honest. This is what happened. So we caught the breakout here, right in the morning. Boom. This was a buy. Some data came out. The data came out. It was some data that came out, and it was good actually. It was so good it went down so sudden. A lot of people got shooken out here, but LCAOD didn't. It was down here. The portfolio was down. But it was okay. It wasn't a bad down. Obviously, LCAOD was making a lot of money. So at the same time, it was just one of those ones that it would have had to be like a position where you gotta, deposit more if I would have stopped that. But LCOD, like I said, didn't feel the need to really stop it because I knew the data was good. We knew the data was good. So some held, some held. And LCOD, we did hold too. And you got the pop right back up there. So we were still at the bottom. We were back to our zone. We were back even here. And it just consolidated this for hours, for about a couple of hours. And then it broke up here. It finally broke up here. It did break up. And then it just kept going up. And then it consolidated up more here. It then, it just went up. It just went up to the point where right here we sold. LCOD sold. So we did make a profit. We could have made way more if we would have we sold here. If we would have sold here, we would have made probably another 600 or 700. But it's okay. It was one of those ones. You could have made a total of 1,400, but you take the 700 and deal with it later. Not being greedy. Just being humble. But so that's how it ended up being today with LCOD. And we played Tesla, and Tesla Elon is really printing, man. Like you see, they're going up in the after hours still. 260 was the target. We did say that yesterday, so we brought it to what we said. We're speaking things into existence, and it is happening. And we can just understand and feel it in the spirit realm. Then you understand and know that it's really, really likely to happen, you guys. So this stuff is really, really happening. And you just gotta, keep your emotions out of it and just understand that's the way to be profitable. And it's not about what you think it should be. It's about what you know it is and buying into it, and then they'll pay you for it, knowing what's right. So this is just how it works. This is trading and investing. But that's just what happened today, though. Like I said, Elon is shooting the price back up. He's there. The target going long still is 270. Hit that like and subscribe button. Like I said this yesterday. So, but yeah, the target going long is still 270. But they're right here at 260. It looks like they can take it to 270 now. Looking at the earnings going into tomorrow, they had a lot to do with Apple and Amazon. So we'll see how it plays out. That's definitely why they're holding up in the after hours. Tesla is. The jobs report data is good, though. Going into tomorrow, you guys, looks like LCOD might be buying back. So if it is good here to the upside level tomorrow, Tesla can take you to 265 to the upside. To the downside, jobs report data not good. Tesla's going to come back down here to about 255. If that don't hold, the next level is 250. That's what the jobs report data is not good. So one way or the other here going into tomorrow, that's what it's going to be, you guys, on Tesla or going further here. That's what it's going to be. So be ready for that going into tomorrow and going into next week. ROKU. $88.85. If the jobs report data is good, ROKU, like I said, the Russell 2000 is looking strong again. So ROKU's one of those names, they can really become a Netflix. But going long, going into tomorrow. Jobs report data good, $90.50. And then it can really take you back to about $93. The jobs report data is good tomorrow, ROKU. Jobs report data not good tomorrow, ROKU 86 to 84 if it doesn't hold to the downside. So if jobs report data not good, that's just these are the levels. That's what it is. That's the way it's going, you guys. So be on the lookout for this stuff, man. That's what's coming tomorrow. Expect this tomorrow, you guys. And, expect this going further here. But we'll have some new plays next week. Sunday night on the next recap, we'll have 4 new free plays and 4 new companies, you guys. So stay tuned, for what's next and what will be the call-outs. But amazing week for everybody. And, again, congratulations to everybody that's made at least $1 this week. Congratulations to you. Yeah, man. But earnings... Let's check with it real quick. 140. Amazonian, they hit 143, but they're at 140 now. So 140. If you catch the live stream, we did a stock market live yesterday too. Check out that one. Hit the like subscribe button. I had a conversation with someone about Amazon going here. Don't know if they thought it was bearish or not, or don't know if they thought I was just talking outside of my neck. But Amazon is exactly at 140. So just see if that holds tomorrow. Congratulations to the Amazon earning holders, earning players. Congratulations, you guys. That's a big bag. Like I said, that's up about two to $4,000, depending on where you brought it. You should be up about at least 1,500 to 4,000. Good job, you guys. Congratulations, for real. So good job on Amazon earnings. It looks good, man. Looks like I might have to chase tomorrow if that can continue. But this long-term shares looking good though. They're looking good overall for the ones that are holding those long-term shares. So yeah, man. Apple, got hit with the cheek blade. Only down $3 though. They did hit 185. Looks like that didn't hold. It did top out at 196. Looks like that didn't hold. So 187 could be a matter tomorrow for Amazon. We don't know. If Apple don't hold, Amazon might not hold either. We don't know. Because Apple is down and Apple got more. So we don't know. We got to see. But Apple may pick up and shoot up and Amazon may hold. So, you never know. Apple may stay down. Amazon might just stay up. So it doesn't. We're going to find out. Just be ready. Be ready. Stay patient. Stay cautious. Stay calm. Stay cool. Stay collect. Stay humble. That's what it's about, though. Moderna, what did they do? Ooh, Moderna earnings. Didn't really do too much. Kind of still in the same channel, right? Still in the same range. They did hit 119. Wow. Didn't give it to anybody, though. Gave that 115 up, I see. And the 107, nobody got that. So, right here, 109, still the same spot for them. What happened with Coinbase? Ooh, Coinbase shot up to 100. Didn't give it to anyone. Shot down to 86, right here, 89. So, see what they doing here. Airbnb, what did they do? Last but not least, ooh, 139. So, up and down motion kind of messed everybody up. Contracts are screwed. Basically, it looks like Amazon's your winner here overall, who's going to possibly, be able to print and hold games. So, that's really good, man. That's really good. That's what's up. Before we go, real quick, like, where DraftKings at? We got to get with DraftKings too, because that's the Russell. Ooh, DraftKings looking real strong, bullish. Everybody's still betting. I told y'all, DraftKings. There they go. They're looking good. They actually holding up that 13%. They probably will more than likely hold that too. So that's going to be a big win for DraftKings right there. Seriously, that's good. Congratulations to you DraftKings holders and DraftKings option players. It'll be a nice little 500 to 1,000. That's good. That's what's up. But yeah, man, that's what it really is right there. So let's check out the update here for the investor sentiment. What direction do how do we want to say this? We want to be careful with wording this. What direction do we'll say that higher ranking investors feel the stock market will be in the next 6 months? And it looks like, let me refresh the page, make sure I ain't tripping. It's refreshed, 49.0% bullish, 29.7% neutral, 21.3% bearish. Ooh, so the bull trend is just outweighing the bearish trend right now strongly, and that's where we're in a bull market. So expect that to be that way in the next 6 months. They're saying the market is going higher, you guys. Woo! Something to better look out for. Only 29.7% is neutral though, so that means they're still they're like, okay, we'll see if that could happen. They're playing if it does, and they're playing both ways. Maybe they're neutral instead of LCAOD stuff. Nothing wrong with that. But wow, that's big right there though. So yeah, still bullish, you guys. So it looks like maybe going into another bull Friday, man. Who knows? We're going to find out that with that jobs report data. Stock futures rise slightly as investors wait big tech earnings await key jobs data. So there you have it, you guys. There you have it, you guys. Y'all enjoy y'all Friday, Junior, man. Enjoy your rest of your Thursday evening. And I'll see y'all Sunday night with a brand new recap and 4 new companies. I hope y'all enjoyed this recap. Y'all have a wonderful night. I'll see y'all then Sunday night. And we'll have 4 new free plays and more free game from LCAOD. This was the recap of the spot. QQQ's DIA, IWM, VIX, NVDA, Netflix, Tesla, Roku with LCAOD. We'll be back Sunday night with another recap and let you know how Friday went and what's going on next week. Peace.